Good morning. I'm coming to you this morning from Ormond Beach, Florida, where I am at the Royal Floridian. It's a Spinnaker resort. Let's go make some memories. The resort's located right here along A1A and Ormond Beach. Daytona Beach is to the south, just a few minutes. And State Road 40, Florida State Road 40, which is Granada Boulevard, is right here. And it takes you back to I-95, so you can go north or south, head to Miami, head to Jacksonville, or beyond. Alright, this area right here they're using for luggage carts. This is normally the indoor pool. The indoor pool, because of the COVID, has been closed. The indoor pool, I can't see much use of it because you have a beautiful pool. There's also a hot tub back there. If it's raining, I guess, or when the weather's colder in the wintertime, which it does tend to get here in Florida, sometimes a little chilly for the pool, you can come and swim in the indoor one, normal times. And this is the activities room. Inside the activities room is where you can get the golf clubs and the balls for the mini golf course, the bags for the cornhole, pool cues to play pool. They have footballs, beach balls, basketballs, so you can go out on the beach. They have beach toys to dig in the sand. A lot of good stuff in here. Activities are not on the level that they normally are because of COVID, but they still have a lot of stuff going here. It's still definitely an awesome resort to come and stay at. And then you got your elevators here to head up to the higher floors. One of the hallways down there that takes you to the rooms, which is where my room was at. They've got vending machines, a drink machine, an ice cream machine, and then they have a couple of arcade games, but 2 of the 3 are out of order at the moment, and a place where you can get change if you need change for the machines. And then this is their area for the members go to have their meetings and to get further info on for future stays. And they got this nice little seating area here with a TV. There are restrooms here also in the lobby. And then when you go down the steps here, before you go out the back door to the pool area, they have a nice little fitness area over here. They have weights, treadmills, and various other fitness equipment. Now we'll take you on a tour of the pool deck and the rest of the area out there. Okay, so this is the pool deck area. Looking back at the hotel. And this is the pool deck area. This is a little splash pad in here for the kids. These little things fill up with water and then they tip over and splash onto the little kids, which is nice. It's like 6:45 in the morning. Let me go down here by the pool, which right now the pool is completely empty. All day long this pool will be full of people. And over here is a little kiddie pool. This is a little kids pool right here. My daughter utilized this when she was smaller. I figured I'd come out here nice and early in the morning like this so you all can enjoy the sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean. Cannot beat a beautiful ocean sunrise. And on the beach here, you see where there's other people down here enjoying the sunrise as well. It's worth waking up early in the morning to get this beautiful view. can't beat it. But let's continue on with our hotel tour. And here's the hot tub here. The one really good thing about this resort is there is a ton of places to sit outside. When you come out here on this multi-layered deck, it almost reminds you of like a cruise ship. And they even have a little giant chess set. Come out here and play with that. They have 2 shuffleboard games. They even have the little score things where you can keep score out here. They have 2 shuffleboard courts. They have cornhole over here, which I'll show you in a second. But then inside here, they have a mini golf course. I believe it's 9 holes. I've played it before in the past. It's like a little 9-hole mini golf course, which is really cool. And then see, they have the cornhole games. And then they also have a little basketball hoop back here, which is excellent. Like I said, there's plenty of activities for kids, plenty of activities for adults. That is one thing I love about living in Florida. I can drive for just over an hour and be here at the Atlantic Ocean, or I can drive just over an hour and be on the other side of the state and be where the Gulf of Mexico is. So I can go watch the sunrise in the morning. Technically, could drive a couple hours across the state, spend the day doing whatever, and then at night go watch the sunset into the Gulf. Florida is a beautiful place to live. You just have to know where to find the beauty besides the obvious, because there's so much to do here. Also here outside in the pool area, they have this little tiki bar where you can come and get drinks and you can sit. There's usually a couple people sitting here most of the day, so. So let's go check this room out. When you come in off the door here, this is the hallway that's behind this door, the hotel hallway. You come in, and then there's 3 doors here. Behind this door is a bathroom, which you'll see in a minute. There's a door here and a door here. There's 2 separate rooms. The rooms are connected to each other, but at the same time, they're completely private to each other and lock. And the thing that's kind of cool, here's the bathroom. This one has a coffee maker, a toaster, an iron, an ironing board, a broom. It has a walk-in shower, a little sink, a toilet. Behind this door is where we started originally. So if you're in this room staying over here and you're having a bunch of people over entertaining or whatever, and somebody else is in this room and you just want to have an extra bathroom, you can come over here, you can come over here and have this extra bathroom here to entertain, which is nice. So and here's the room. Got a safe down here, nightstand, sorry for the messy bed. You've got a fridge, microwave, dresser, which is good because if you're going to be here like for a week and you want to get out of your suitcase, you can pack your clothing into there, which is nice. And then there's another little chair over here on the side, and then all the rooms here have a balcony. This one has 3 chairs. The chair must have got relocated. There's that beautiful sunrise again coming up over the ocean. But yeah, this was kind of the real quick overall room tour. The rooms are not huge, typical hotel rooms, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that, because most of the time you're not going to be in your room here anyway. You're going to be out here enjoying the pool, the mini golf, all the amenities they have here. Down the steps to the beach, you've got the ocean. So there's plenty to do here. You're barely going to be in your room. This room is basically like the second bedroom from the other one that's next door. So this one doesn't have a kitchen at all. This is just the standard room. That's it. The room that's next door that's connected to this one, that one has a kitchen where you can cook, and it has a full-size refrigerator and freezer. So if you have both these rooms booked for multiple people in your family, like the parents are next door, the kids might be over here, or just other people in your party, you're just not in your room that much. You're either in your room just to eat or to shower and sleep. Also here, I'm not quite sure when they added this property, but they have the Royal Floridian South, which is the separate little tower building that's over here. They added that. I know the first times I came here, I don't believe that belonged to the property here, but they ended up adding it. So There's also more rooms down there. So if you end up in Royal Floridian South, it's the building adjacent to this one, which has just a little walkway that connects the two. All right, so this wraps up our stay here at the Royal Floridian here in Ormond Beach. We had a really good time. We've stayed at this resort several times over the years. Finally came out here to vlog it. Excellent property, plenty to do. If you just like laying in the pool and laying in the sun, you can do that. If you want to have activities, they have that as well. And there's tons of good places to eat within walking distance, as well as just a short trip by car. Daytona Beach is 5 to 10 minutes by car to get down to the heart of Daytona Beach. Maybe 15 if there's a little bit of traffic, but it's not bad. But yeah, this wraps up our trip here. We had an excellent stay. Thank you for watching. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. Easy for me to say. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets us know that we're doing a good job. Leave us a comment. We try to respond to all of them. And I hope you had a good time coming along with us on our resort tour and room tour. So see you soon.